Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kimchi Maggi. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Maggi noodles, about 1/2 cup of chopped kimchi, and 1 egg. You'll also need some green onions for garnish and a dash of sesame oil. Make sure you have a small pot for cooking and a bowl for serving. This simple dish comes together quickly, offering a delightful blend of flavors and textures for a satisfying meal. Now, let's get cooking. Bring about 2 cups of water to a boil in your small pot. Once boiling, add the Maggi noodle block. Cook the noodles for approximately 2 minutes, stirring occasionally to separate them. Next, stir in the entire Maggi seasoning packet, ensuring it's well combined with the noodles and broth. This forms the flavorful base for our Kimchi Maggi creation. With the noodles cooking, it's time to introduce the stars of the show. Add your 1/2 cup of chopped kimchi directly into the pot with the noodles. Stir gently to combine. Then, carefully crack 1 egg into the simmering broth. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the egg white is set to your liking, creating a delicious, creamy texture. Finally, it's time to finish and enjoy your delicious Kimchi Maggi. Transfer the noodles, kimchi, and egg into your serving bowl. Garnish generously with fresh chopped green onions and a small drizzle of sesame oil for an extra layer of flavor. Serve immediately while hot for the best experience. This quick and easy meal is perfect for any time. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.